हमारे अगले इनोवेटर को टाइम मैगजीन ने रिकॉग्नाइज किया है एज वन ऑफ द टॉप इनोवेशंस ऑफ 2017, बाम्पू कांसालिंग सपोर्ट।
At Bempu, we're really excited to be part of the Dettol Banega Swasth India program, and we develop tools and innovations to help newborns have better outcomes and survive. One of the top reasons that newborns face injury and death is hypothermia. They get cold very easily, especially after they're born. And so what we have developed is this tiny bracelet that's called a temp watch that goes on the baby's wrist, looks like this, and continuously monitors the baby's temperature day and night. If the baby is ever cold or hypothermic, the bracelet starts blinking a red light and starts beeping to wake up the parents so that they can warm the baby well before the baby has low blood sugar, trouble breathing, or any injury or death. This has now been used by UNICEF in 16 countries and has 15 clinical publications showing that it helps babies have better outcomes. Another common problem for babies is breathing, and parents are often worried if their baby is continuously breathing and they might keep checking on it. For that, we've developed this tiny tool called the Bempu belly button. It's a small clip that clips onto the baby's clothing or diaper and keeps monitoring their breathing movement. And if the baby stops breathing for 20 seconds or more, it beeps, it vibrates to rouse the baby, and it also alerts you on your phone.
That's really, really innovative. And please tell us about your innovation.
So one of the top concerns for small babies is that they get cold. And when they get cold, it causes low blood sugar, trouble breathing, and one of the top reasons they may die. So we developed a bundle of two innovations. Can you just hold that for me? The first is a tiny watch that goes on the baby and beeps if ever the baby is cold. So the parents can wake up and they can warm the baby before any injury happens. And the second is this tool here. For premature babies, you want to hold them against your chest for 10 to 24 hours a day. And normally this is done with and that's shown to reduce their chances of death and reduce chances of infection, help them stay warm. But right now it's done sitting down or laying down, and you keep the baby and you use a towel, and it immobilizes the parents. So we developed a tool specifically for the 1 kg, 2 kg babies that makes it very easy for parents to load them. It has hip support so the baby doesn't slip. It zips up, and parents can easily go about their day-to-day tasks while doing life-saving skin-to-skin care for their low-weight babies. Wonderful. And keeping them warm. So
wonderful. Lovely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations.
thank you. Oh, yeah.
Well, thank you all so much for joining us. Komal, Mr. Gautam and Ratul, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.